Story starts at 3:07 a.m. Empty highway, cold night. Billionaire Daniel Carter, driving alone after business trip. He stops at an old roadside restaurant he secretly owns through company chain. Its lights on, but sign says closed. Inside, only one person working, an old black cook named Samuel. Samuel looks tired, scared, and nervous. Daniel notices Samuel cooking food, but no customers. Something feels wrong. When Daniel asks why he is working alone, Samuel hesitates. Hook line ending part 1. Samuel whispers, "Sir, they don't let me leave before morning." The hidden rules of the night shift. Daniel sits and watches quietly, pretending to be normal customer. We see Samuel doing cleaning, cooking, washing dishes alone. Daniel checks time, gives Samuel has been working 18 hours. Manager not there, cameras everywhere. Samuel looks at camera before speaking. Slowly, Samuel tells small truth. He works every night, no overtime, pay no breaks. If he complains, he loses job. Daniel shocked because company policy doesn't allow this. Suspense grows. Ending line. Samuel says, "Some people don't want the boss to know what happens here." Billionaire starts, investigating. Truth begins. Daniel goes outside, calls his assistant, finds out this branch has many complaints. A regional manager name appears again and again. Daniel remembers lawsuit years ago, comes back inside and talks to Samuel again. Samuel finally tells truth. Workers forced to work double shifts, older workers treated worse, black workers given hardest shifts. Emotional moment. Samuel says he stayed because he needed money for sick wife. Ending hook. Samuel, "I thought nobody cared, not even the owner." The worst truth. Betrayal inside the company. Daniel checks office records secretly. Next day, finds fraud. Manager stealing money by cutting workers' hours on paper. Workers shown as part-time, but working full-time. Company never knew. Daniel, angry but calm, decides to return again at night. This time he sees security guard locking back door. Samuel not allowed to leave until morning. This becomes biggest shock. Ending line. Daniel realizes.
And was not bad management. This is cruelty. A reveal power turns the story next night.
Daniel comes with full team secretly. HR, lawyer, security. Manager arrives and starts yelling at Samuel again. Then Daniel walks in. Manager shocked. Everyone's silent. Daniel reveals, "I am the owner of this company." Manager tries to lie. Cameras checked. Records shown. Truth exposed. Samuel thinks he will lose job. Ending hook. Daniel says, "Samuel, you are not fired." Tonight everything changes. Justice, healing, and new beginning. Strong ending. Manager fired. Investigation opens. Workers get back pay. Samuel invited to office. Daniel asks about his life. Samuel says he only wanted respect. Emotional scene. Daniel gives him new position. Head cook. Better salary, health support for wife's restaurant fixed. New rules made. Final emotional message for older audience. Hard work matters. Truth comes late, but comes good people still exist. Final line at 3 a.m. again. The lights were on. But this time, Samuel was smiling.